Students, this is your computer class and I am Miss Aishwarya. Today we start chapter 4 Uses of the computer. So listen and watch the video carefully. Students, as you all know that computer is a machine that makes our work easier, right? And because of this importance, the computer is widely used in offices, schools, hospitals, right? So on the basis of this, our chapter uses of the computer we read today. So computer in daily life. Computers are important as they are now used everywhere, right? अब सभी जगह कंप्यूटर यूज्ड होने लगा है. You can see them at many places. They are also found inside many gadgets which we cannot see from outside. At many places like airports, bank, offices and schools, you can see people working on computer. As I told earlier that computer used everywhere. बैंक में, ऑफिस में, एयरपोर्ट्स पर, schools में, everywhere computer का use होता है. Computer chips are also inside latest high-tech gadgets like cameras, automatic washing machines, mobile phones and modern cars. Since बच्चों क्या होता है कि कैमरा आप यूज़ करते हो, मोबाइल फ़ोन आप यूज़ करते हो, ये सब कैसे ऑपरेट होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ कंप्यूटर चिप्स, राइट? कंप्यूटर चिप्स उसके अंदर फिट होती हैं जिससे वो हाईटेक गैजेट्स कहलाते हैं. Okay, next, now let us learn about the usage of computers at various places. These days, every movie or cartoon shows is using computer animations and special effects done by computers. Computer graphics are pictures which are created on a computer. Paint, Corel Draw, and Illustrator are example of such programs. बच्चों, nowadays you can see that many animations and special effects are used in movies. आप फिल्म्स देखते हो उसमें कई तरह के स्पेशल इफ़ेक्ट्स दिखते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल को बॉल जो है वो हवा में उड़ रही होती है और you can say anything, or simply you can take an example of cartoons, right? Now move to next page. Computer animation is the art of creating illusions of moving images via use of computer. Flash, 3D Studio Max are some popular animation programs. All the unreal objects like spaceships, dinosaurs, space scenes, cartoons are created and animated using computers. So बच्चों, the आर्ट ऑफ क्रिएटिंग इल्यूशंस ऑफ मूविंग इमेजेस. आप देखते हो कि इमेजेस, आप जो इमेज देख रहे होते हो वो मूव कर रही होती है. इट्स ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर एनिमेशन, राइट? और अनरियल ऑब्जेक्ट्स जैसे कि स्पेसशिप्स, डायनासोर्स अभी तो नहीं है, दीज आर द अनरियल ऑब्जेक्ट्स, तो वो भी comes in the category of computer animations. Now next, animation is the illusionary effect of movement which is created by displaying a series of pictures quickly. Each picture slightly differs from the previous one, and when displayed in quick succession, it seems as if the character is them are moving. So बच्चों, what is animation? एनिमेशन एक इल्यूशनरी इफेक्ट है, एक इल्यूशन है. इट मीन्स मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट. जो ऑब्जेक्ट मूव करते हुए दिख रहा है वही क्या है? एनिमेशन. आपको इन अ सेकेंड दूसरी इमेज शो होने लगती है जब भी आप टीवी देखते हो, राइट? नेक्स्ट, इन एविएशन. एविएशन रेफर टू फ्लाइंग यूजिंग एयरक्राफ्ट्स. Computers are used to design airplanes. They are also used to ensure that the aeroplanes reach their destination safely on time. A device named an autopilot could hold a plane on a specific route even when the pilot is not operating the control. So, बच्चों, The computer are used to design airplanes. जो एयरप्लेन्स, एरोप्लेन्स, हेलीकॉप्टर्स, ये सब जो डेवलप होते हैं, इन्वेंट होते हैं, किसके थ्रू होते हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. कंप्यूटर्स में कुछ ऐसे ऐप्स होते हैं लाइक ऑटो कैड, राइट? तो उनकी हेल्प से हम डिज़ाइन करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, कंप्यूटर्स असिस्टेड हेयर स्टाइलिंग. Computerized hairstyle imaging technology enable you to see what you would like in any hairstyle, hair color without getting the actual haircut style. Using a high-tech digital camera, a picture of the person is taken and entered in a computer. The computer then superimposes hundreds of different hairstyles onto that picture. You can therefore see the result in advance without actually getting the haircut and then decide which hairstyle you want. So, students, what happened here that whatever the hairstyle you want, आपको कोई भी hairstyle चाहिए. Well, in today's world of technology बहुत सारे apps वैसे भी आ गए हैं मोबाइल फ़ोन्स में, but by using the computer you can see कि which hairstyle you can use so that you look beautiful, right? So you can check through the computer. Now next, there are many applications in the computer in sports. One of the most commonly used is of controlling the giant scoreboard screens. आप देखते हो बच्चों that during the प्लेइंग ऑफ क्रिकेट और फुटबॉल, जब भी प्लेयर्स खेल रहे होते हैं वहाँ पर एक स्क्रीन बोर्ड लगा होता है जहाँ उनके स्कोर शो होते हैं, राइट? दैट इज़ द जायंट स्कोर बोर्ड स्क्रीन. वो कौन कंट्रोल करता है? बाय यूजिंग कंप्यूटर, बिकॉज इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ वेरियस एप्लीकेशंस. You must have seen that during sports matches there are huge scoreboards on large screen. These scoreboards are controlled by a group of computers. They also help to manufacture safety equipments like helmet for the safety of the player, right? Next is inside cars. Nowadays you see that many of the cars contain many type of microprocessor chips inside the car. बहुत सारी कारों में आजकल चिप्स आने लगी हैं अंदर उसके फिट. So these days there are many microprocessors present in the engines of modern cars. These processors helps to create better cars which are safe, convenient, comfortable and more fuel efficient. There is at least one chip which is in charge of monitoring the engine emission and for adjusting the engine to keep the emission as low as possible. So बच्चों, there is a chip inside the car. कार के अंदर एक चिप लगी होती है. वो किसे मॉनिटर करता है और कंट्रोल करता है? इंजन को. The computer can also sense when something has gone wrong and can inform the driver with the check engine light. बच्चों, कार के अंदर ऐसी चिप्स भी लगी होती हैं जो इफ़ एनीथिंग हैपन रॉन्ग, कुछ गलत होने वाला होता है तो कार उसको ऑलरेडी ड्राइवर को मैसेज कर देती है, दैट इन्फॉर्म कर देती है दैट देयर इज़ समथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग. Cars are capable of managing voice response commands. Sorry बच्चों. Nowadays you can command your car by using your voice, right? You can open or close the door of car by using your command. Next is cars have better and smarter navigation system. They are able to find and consider alternative routes. So बच्चों, nowadays there is a navigation system inside the cars. It means आपको किस राउट में जाना है, किस रोड की तरफ जाना है, कहाँ मूव करना है, कहाँ पर स्टॉप है, ये सब आपको पहले से इन्फॉर्म हो जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ नेविगेशन सिस्टम इनसाइड द कार. ऑल राइट, होप स्टूडेंट्स you all understand this chapter well. Thank you.